So we've discussed confidence on the podcast before, back in episode 50, when we talked about confidence at work. So why do you think confidence at work is important, Kyle?
Confidence plays a part in nearly everything you do at work and in your life, whether you apply for a role, whether you ask for a promotion or a salary increase, how you show up in meetings, how you display your work and communicate. Confidence is really underlying or underpinning all of that. So it's important that people are able to recognize if they're struggling with their confidence and, okay, is this something I need to work on and improve?
Yeah. Many executives and professionals tell me that they want to build their confidence. What are some tips you can share to help someone start building their confidence?
I would start by figuring out what they even mean by confidence. I think that's a really important starting point. Whenever someone comes to me with a goal, they might say, I want to work on executive presence, Kyle. I want to work on communication. I want to work on confidence. I ask people, what do you mean by confidence? What does a confident person look like? What does someone who's struggling with confidence look like? And starting there and getting really clear on what do you even mean by confidence? How will you know once you feel more confident? And then what does that journey look like? What are some steps to take that you can take to get there? I often have some ideas of what it looks like to be confident and steps based on working with lots of clients. But having you, if you're listening to this, pause the recording and saying, hey, here's what confidence means to me. Here's some things that confident people do can be a really helpful first step. So you have a clear idea of even the goal that you're working toward.
Yeah. I think that's really important because you're right. Confidence means different things to different people. To someone, confidence might be giving a presentation in front of 200 people, and to someone else, confidence just might mean a small meeting, but bringing an issue up that needs to be brought up, right? That has not been addressed directly. So I love that. So once someone outlines what confidence means to them, what's the next step that they can take?
I find it's really important not to go at it alone. So making sure that you're getting help along the way and getting feedback. Because oftentimes professionals, managers, executives have an idea of how they're displaying. And they say, hey, here's how I'm showing up in meetings or in emails with my colleagues. And then how you're actually showing up might be different. So I would think of it as kind of a confidence council or confidence board of directors and compiling that and saying, who are the people around you that can support you? Is it a mentor who's above you or a few mentors who are more confident that you can look to? Are there some colleagues you can go to and ask for feedback after meetings and say, hey, I'm trying to work on my confidence? How have you seen, or what changes have you seen over the last few weeks and months as I've worked on this? Can you go to your boss? So finding some people around you who can support you and give you some insights can be really powerful because we can think we're showing up one way, but getting some insights and learning the perceptions of people around you can be super powerful along the journey.
I agree. I love your idea about the Confidence Council or Board of Directors. One way, I guess, a similar idea that I talk to our clients about is having a career support system that's different
Mm.
than just your family member and your friends. We love them, but having some other people in that support system. So I love that.